My name is Fahad Naleye. I'm 24 years old. I came to America in 1997. First, we came to America, North Carolina. Then we moved from North Carolina to Columbus, Ohio. I went to school in this city, from elementary school to middle school to high school. My experience here in the school, it was tough for me. In middle school, I remember that I got expelled from middle school because of I was doing something that I was not supposed to be doing in the school. I got expelled from middle school, then they sent me to IPAS. When they sent me IPAS, it was actually more tougher than in my middle school. You know, first I gotta wake up in the morning, like 5 in the morning, to catch a bus, then go to the downtown, catch another bus, then go to the school. When we go to school, the police has to search us, about if we have guns, if we have knives. So, and if we were trying to go to the restrooms, we had to call security to go to the restrooms. They follow us to the restrooms. I would like to tell you a story about my middle school. When I got kicked out when I got actually expelled from middle school, I met this guy at the juvenile area, and he was the guy that was helping me a lot. He was the guy that was telling me about, asking me questions like, what is the reason that you came to America? What you want to do in your life? Do you want to be like, some of these kids? Do you want to be like, do your life better than, where you used to be back home? So he was asking me like the reason that I came to America, and that's the guy actually who, in a way, who changed my life, from middle school, to high school. I don't even remember his name, his face, but all I remember that the words that he was telling me. Then after that, then when I went to high school, it was actually getting tougher and tougher for me. My high school years actually, it was a little bit I was getting a little bit older, and a little bit, getting a little bit, my brain was working a little different than when I was in middle school. I went to actually first Lyndon McKinley High School, then I went to Gropo Madison High School, then I graduated from Northland High School. And then we started doing a lot of things in the city. And then I became a coach, soccer coach, and then I became the youth activities in Columbus, Ohio. When I became a coach in 03, actually I was 03 or 04, and then we started traveling to the city, different cities, Minnesota, Tennessee, Canada, Atlanta, different cities. We actually, trying to get together, talk about what we, need to do for the youth and stuff. That's what I was doing before. Now, actually, I opened an office for the kids, for the youth, and it's called Ohio Sports Group. And what we're doing right now is helping the youth for the sports. The different ages, from age 7 through 18. We host a couple of tournaments city from different states and in the city too. That we were doing in the city, it was getting tougher for us because we were just hosting a lot of teams from different states. And in order to do that, you need a budget for the kids. We was not getting a budget from a lot of people. We're just getting the budget from the Somali businesses, individuals. So we started doing, getting the kids, more from the street to the activities, because it's safer than, from the street. Actually, the future we're trying to do is to be better and to help the kids more and more, and so everybody can be, do whatever they want to do in their life when they get older a little bit. The reason I'm doing this because I love to help the kids. And when I was growing up, this city, actually nobody was there for us. Now it's for me to take care of the kids. It's for me to help the kids. It's for me now to take the lead. I was not getting any help when I was young. Now I can see that when I was young, nobody was helping me. So I know, how it used to be when I was, little kid. I missed a lot of things that I was not getting. So now these kids, I'm trying to help them out. In 5 years from now, I want to see actually this community to get better. To be, every kid have a goal in their life. So to be a better community and to do something better.